We're here today at Laurel Hill Central Green. We're doing a few things today. We're celebrating National Trails Day at Gerry Connolly Cross County Trail, and we're opening up this brand new, beautiful bathroom behind us.
So the idea of this trail came along in 1999 when Bill invited me on this celebration day to look at this trail he had mapped out. So we hiked it.
The Gerry Connolly Cross County Trail connects many of our hallmark park locations like Wakefield Park, Lake Accotink, Aiken Park, and here at Laurel Hill, the southern gateway to Fairfax County. Trails are an important part of our county park system because it encourages healthy lifestyles. It allows you to get healthy. You can come out and enjoy nature, just get your steps in, or really get motivated to do some healthy activities. Parents take kids to playgrounds. They stay longer when there's a bathroom facility. If you meet here to go on a bike ride, you're more apt to go out on a trail if you know when you come back there's a restroom facility there, waiting for you.
3 years is a long time ago to kind of get this open and to finally have the kind of restroom facilities that can really make us all flush with pride. So
go out, spend some time in our county parks, most importantly spend some time on our trails, connecting with each other, enjoying Mother Nature, celebrating life and all the things that we in Fairfax County can be grateful for, including our cross-county trail on Trails Day.
Our trails are your free gym. It allows you to come out and enjoy the wonders of our park while also getting healthy, getting your steps in, and encouraging a healthy lifestyle. Cross County Trail is 42 miles of trail. It's almost unprecedented across the country. Within one county with a population so dense as Fairfax County, to have 42 uninterrupted miles of trail is just phenomenal. And we're just so excited to be here on National Trails Day to celebrate it.